Hey guys, welcome to WebTech Nindra. Today video is about object-oriented system development using EML and Java patterns. Swayam week 4 assignment answers. Here the first question. Which of the following are not factors behind the two abstract class and object-oriented designs? So answers are C. So answer C, D, E. So first question answer is C, D, E. I was given a clear explanation with the answer in the GitHub. The link in the description. Just open and see the answers with C, D, E is the first question answer. Coming to the second question. Second question answer is association. Answer is B. Consider the following sentence. Answer is association. Coming to third question. Which mechanism state? So answer is composite state. Answer is A. Fourth question, method overload. A is the correct answer. Static polymerism is the correct. In fifth question, overload method is the correct answer. So answer is the B is the correct answer. Coming to the fifth question is completed. Sixth question, class. Sixth question is the class. A state the emission diagram is typically used to model behavior. Answer is class diagram. Here class diagram is correct answer. Coming to seventh question. E is the correct answer. In seventh question, E is the correct sequence diagram and state missions diagram. Eighth question, 6. So answer is 25 కాదు. So answer వచ్చి 124. So eighth question, sorry. In eighth question, answer is it is wrong. Only 124 is the correct answer. Coming to the ninth question. D is the correct answer. Coming to 10th question. A is the correct answer. Just A is the correct answer. Then after complete, just click here and submit options automatically submitted. So here they again see. First question A, C, D, E. Association, composite state, static polymerism, overload method, class. Here seventh question answer is E, sequence diagram. So here answer is sequence diagram. Here 10th question answer is 1024 is the correct answer. In D is the correct answer. 10th question, nested states. After complete, just click here. Answer will be automatically submitted. Thank you guys. Next video lo చూసుకుందాం.